April 26th, 1986, 1:23 a.m. A routine safety test at a nuclear plant turns into the world's worst nuclear disaster. But this is more than just a historical event. It's a warning, still echoing today. In the 1970s, the Soviet Union began building a symbol of progress, the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. Its core, the RBMK 1000 reactor, cheap, powerful, and fatally flawed. The RBMK had a positive void coefficient, meaning the more steam, the more power. Worse, no containment structure. Mistake number 1, no physical barrier to hold a disaster. Mistake number 2, a rushed bureaucratic system where safety was secondary to speed. April 26, 1986. A late-night experiment in Unit 4 goes terribly wrong. Operators reduce the power to dangerous levels, then disable key safety systems. Within seconds, the unstable reactor surges out of control. 2 massive explosions shatter the core. The radioactive fireball shoots into the night sky. It releases 400 times more radiation than the Hiroshima bomb. In nearby Pripyat, life goes on as usual. Children march in a May Day parade, unaware of the invisible killer in the air. In the following days, over 600,000 people are mobilized as liquidators. Soldiers, engineers, firefighters, most without proper protection. They build a massive concrete sarcophagus in just 206 days to contain the radiation. But the structure is unstable. It cracks. It leaks. So, in 2016, a new safe confinement is placed over the original sarcophagus, the largest movable structure ever built. Chernobyl becomes a ghost zone, 30 kilometers of silence. In 2022, Chernobyl becomes a war zone. Russian troops occupy the site during the invasion of Ukraine. Fears of accidental contamination spread worldwide. In 2024, a drone strike hits the sarcophagus. Damage is limited, but the message is clear. Even today, Chernobyl is not secure. It is fragile, it is political, and it is still dangerous. Today, the Chernobyl zone is home to scientists, guards, and cautious tourists. Radiation levels vary. Life is slowly returning. But deep beneath the surface, a destroyed reactor still simmers. Chernobyl is not just the past. It is a warning and a reminder of what happens when human pride meets nuclear power.